National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Calhoun County in south central Michigan until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Battle Creek, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albion, Marshall, Battle Creek, Brownlee Park, Level Park Oak Park, Baringo, West Cape Kellogg Airport, Ceresco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.